Hello friend, welcome to this channel. Today I discuss about pile driving. This is the second video of pile foundation. In this video you know about how we hammering on the pile, what are the type and how you classify, how the name is coming for regarding this pile driving. So without further delay, let's get started. And one more thing, in case you missed the last video, then there you find the I button. Just go out and check it out, my last video regarding types of pile in pile foundation. Let's talk about what is mean by pile driving. Suppose this is your ground, and this is your pile, and you trying to downward this pile by hammering action. So due to your hammering action, the pile is going to downward. So that process for which the pile is going the downward by this hammering action, that is known as your pile driving. Why the word is driving? Because we drive the car, right? We drive the car. Now we drive the pile in downward by the hammering action, by the hammering or rammering action. That is why the word is comes the pile driving. Now we go to in depth. What do you mean by this and regarding pile driving? So basically pile comes to downward by your hammer, or you can say hammering action. Okay, and these hammering action done by crane. This is not possible in this 21st century. Some people is doing hammering in the pile. It's not possible. So the hammering, this system is attached with a crane, which may be horizontal or may be inclined. Right. So that whole system is known as pile driver. That whole thing known as pile driver, and that phenomenon is known as your pile driving. Hope this is clear why it is known called driver and what is the difference between pile driver and pile driving. Now talking about the hammer, in pile construction we use lots of type hammer in our construction. Number one is drop hammer. Number one is drop hammer. In the word drop, that means there is something which is free fall due to gravity. Yes, you are exactly right. This drop hammer completely work with help of gravity. So that drop hammer allow to fall by gravity. So the hammer connected with or related with gravity, that means we are talking about the drop hammer. Point number 2, single acting hammer. Single acting hammer. Single acting hammer. This hammer working principle is working by steam, or you can say vapor energy. So these hammer raised by the steam, or you can say internal air, and and fall by your fall of due to gravity. Now we talk about double acting double acting hammer. Double acting hammer, that means in before starting this, in single acting hammer The hammer is rising by steam and fall by gravity. Why single acting? Because we use the steam energy or vapor energy once or one time. Here, the hammer rising by steam energy and fall by grab fall by again steam energy. So we use steam energy twice. That is why the name suggests that double acting, who acts steam act hammer. And as it is working on steam vapor, so it can work very rapidly. Now we talk about our diesel hammer. Diesel hammer, very small, light, light, and it is self-acting. And why called diesel? Because here we use the gasoline as fuel. That is why it is known as your diesel hammer. So yes, these are the few types of hammer we using in pile driving phenomenon, or we using our pile driver system. So hope there is no doubt. If you have any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you learned something new from my video, then definitely like the video, share the video, and subscribe the video for getting such kind of beautiful video regarding civil engineering. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and next video we'll talk about the various taste of pile foundation. So once again, thank you for watching this video.